What up? What up? What up? Back at it once again. It's your man, Boss Gang VIP with the weekly money watch. Last week was absolutely amazing. This week should be even better. Bitcoin above 99,000. Let's see if that equates to us having a bullish week next week. Lots of events and things to look forward to. We'll get into those. If you haven't already, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you can get the videos as soon as they drop. Let's start it out like we always do. Give an update on the Roth portfolio. I am going to be doing the update video, so definitely look out for that. Everything has been going absolutely according to plan. If you know anybody who's interested in learning how to build a portfolio the right way, make sure to refer them to the channel and have them go through the series so they can get the benefit just like you've been getting the benefit. Let's go ahead and look at the economics calendar for this week. Monday, January 6th. S&P final U.S. services, PMI, factory orders. Tuesday, Richmond Fed President Tom Barkin speaks, job openings. Wednesday, ADP employment, consumer credit. Thursday, initial jobless claims, wholesale inventories. Friday, consumer sentiment, U.S. employment report, U.S. hourly wages. Big events this week, CES. This is the biggest event in technology. There are going to be multiple companies there. NVIDIA keynote tomorrow. Let me go to the homepage so I can actually get you the details, show you what the homepage looks like. January 7th through 10th, Las Vegas, Nevada. This is where brands get business done, meet new partners, and where the industry's sharpest minds take the stage to unveil their latest releases and boldest breakthroughs. You get all the companies together. This is a major convention, lots of deals may or may not get done here. Lots of new technology and innovation will be revealed, and all of your favorite tech companies will be there, along with a lot of smaller companies that you may not have heard of that have some amazing things that may be the future right before your very eyes. You're going to make sure you go check out the CES.tech website. You can Google or Chat GPT, all the companies that are actually going to be presenting there. They have presentations for everything you can imagine. It's actually broken down into categories. It talks about planning your visit. You actually have featured topics: artificial intelligence, digital health, vehicle tech, and advanced mobility. You have 5G, accessibility, content and entertainment, fitness, fintech, gaming and sports, food. So all kind of electronics or artificial intelligence and just tech in general that we need to advance society as a whole, sustainability. So if you want to get an advantage, try to find out all the companies that are going to be presenting at CES. One of the things, CES Innovation Awards, definitely pay attention to this. Visit the CES Innovation Awards showcase to see the winning products from the 2025 honorary display during the CES 2025 at the Venetian Expo Hall. So those are some of the companies you're going to want to pay attention to. You can see the winners from these different years, but for 2025, SolidView, Dot, 10KM.ai, Asus, different companies. There are different companies you can invest in. So you want to find out what those companies are so you can definitely take advantage of that. CES, this is going to be a major event this year and every time they have it. Some of the stocks we're going to be looking at this week: Archer Midnight is landing. A lot of people know about Archer company, commercial, defense. I'm not going to get into it too much, but whenever you're doing your due diligence, you want to make sure you are going through the websites and getting the latest information and just all the information you need so that you can make the best decisions. Upcoming events, January 15th, Needham 27th Annual Growth Conference, December 19th, Archer completes construction of high volume manufacturing facility. Had announcements on December 12th. Everything has been going amazing over there. One of the other companies we're going to be looking at is CleanSpark, America's Bitcoin miner. CleanSpark responsibly develops infrastructure for Bitcoin, an essential tool for financial independence and inclusion. We strive to leave the planet better than we found it by investing in communities that we operate in. Bitcoin is a watershed moment, not only in the history and invention of money, but in how we relate to each other. You always go to the investors page. You want to check out the companies and what they do overall. Sign up for email alerts if that's something you want to do. A lot of companies offer that. Give you some stats. Upcoming events, 27th annual Needham Growth Conference. So Archer will be there as well, right? CleanSpark exceeds 2024 year-end guidance. Accelerates 2025 guidance. CleanSpark announces closing offering of $650 million zero coupon convertible notes. CleanSpark announces pricing of 550 convertible notes offering, and you can get into all the investor stuff and all the earnings, whatnot, find out where the companies are located. All the companies I show you are highly regarded companies. All the companies I'm going to show you are always highly regarded. So that's one thing I try to strive to do is be around the best stocks. NVIDIA and other investors back Applied Digital with $160 million in funding. You can read more about that. The epicenter of AI built here, designed from inception to accommodate the needs of unique needs of AI factory developments. So yeah, we can definitely get into that. Yeah, but definitely go check that out. We'll go to the investor page as usual. Got the conference call for this one, January 24th, 5 p.m. Eastern. So conference call, and you can always just find out what's going on. Applied Digital closes $150 million senior secured note with Acquire Equipment Capital Inc. to refinance existing credit facility with former senior lender. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into the setups for the week. I guess we'll start off with CleanSpark. The chart on this one is absolutely amazing. Looks like a straight shot up to around $23. That's 100% on the underlying. We're looking at a 2-week entry above $10.83. Obviously, the month started out red. We're going to just see if this can go green. 14.29%. Look like it has a long way to go. A very, very quick 3-cent entry on that one. We go to the options chain. The volume last week, 26.5 million traded on the underlying. Because we know that we have those high targets, a lot of times you can take advantage of leaps and different things like that. Combo packs, you get shorter and longer dated contracts, right? So it's you play this, you figure out how you want to do it. But CleanSpark, it looks absolutely amazing right now. A lot of volume over there on the contracts and on the underlying. Other one, APLD. This is pretty clean here. Let me get these charts over. Let me slide these over. All right, looking absolutely amazing here. Just got some corrective activity. The stock was moving up. So it looks pretty strong right there. Got above that 859. This one has a quick trigger. This has a weekly trigger as well above $9.13. So that trigger literally is what, 2 cents away on that trigger. So that is a weekly trigger. And then we have levels starting out. We're going to be looking about 13 and a quarter, right? So that's a pretty solid move over there. Last trading session up 16.97. If you can actually get a pullback to that 859, that would be amazing. Not that you will, but if you happen to get that discount, easy money, take advantage of it. And the last one, Archer, we looked at that one. That has a 212 week above $11.51. This has been absolutely strong. And we got a quick run potential, about $14.5, $15, pretty quick over there. Oh, let me go back to APLD. Just to get into the options chain, 18.6 million traded last session, and there may be some opportunities over there. We just got to see, right? Try to take advantage of it. And then again, the last one, Archer, we got a pretty clean setup there, straight up to these quarterly broadening formations. And then just looking at the chain over there, everything's looking solid. 55.75 million traded last trading session, and just kind of work it out. If you don't know how to take advantage of this, go back to some of my previous videos where I actually break down how I pick the options contracts and how I actually trade those. I believe I actually did an entire breakdown on Sentinel, how to mark up the charts and everything, because a lot of people might be watching these videos and wondering how I do this. It's either you know how to do it or you don't. I absolutely know how to do this. I'm pretty much one of the best in the game. I think I'm the best in the world at this. I don't really know who's better than I am, but hopefully you guys can take advantage of it. If you have any questions, make sure to put those down for me in the comment sections below. If you guys get any wins or anything you guys need help with, make sure to put those down in the comments below. With that being said, I am looking forward to having an absolutely wonderful week, and we are definitely going to make some money like we always do. This is your man, Boss Gang VIP, with the Weekly Money Watch, and I am out. Let's have a great week.